Football edits are some of the most exciting videos on social media. From dramatic goals and skill compilations to cinematic player highlights, great football edits aren't just about the footage, they're about how you edit it. Today I'll show you 7 Filmora features that can instantly make your football edits look more professional and more engaging. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Whether you're editing football reels for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or full highlight videos, these Filmora tools can help you create smoother, more dynamic, and more cinematic edits. Feature 1. Speed ramping. One of the most important techniques in football editing is controlling the pace. With speed ramping, you can slow down a player's skill move and then instantly accelerate into the goal or shot. This creates impact and helps viewers focus on key moments. Try using a dramatic slow motion right before a goal and then speed up as the ball hits the net. It instantly makes the moment feel bigger. Feature 2. Motion tracking. Want to highlight a player during a fast attack? Motion tracking makes it easy. Track the player and attach text, arrows, circles, or graphics that automatically follow them. This is perfect for player analysis videos, tactical breakdowns, highlight compilations. Instead of manually animating graphics frame by frame, Filmora does the work for you. Feature 3. AI Smart Cutout. Sometimes you want to isolate a player from the background. With AI Object Cutout, you can separate a footballer from the stadium and create dramatic intros or player spotlight effects. It's a great way to make football edits stand out on social media. Feature 4. Keyframing. Professional football edits often use dynamic zooms and camera movement. Filmora's keyframe tool allows you to create custom zoom-ins, zoom-outs, pans, and tracking effects. For example, as a player starts a run, slowly zoom toward them. As they shoot, quickly zoom into the ball. These small movements add energy and make edits feel more cinematic. Feature 5. Beat detection. Music plays a huge role in football edits. Filmora's beat detection automatically finds beats in your soundtrack. You can then sync goals, tackles, skill moves, crowd reactions to the music. This creates that satisfying rhythm that makes sports edits feel professional. Feature 6. Freeze frame. Every great football edit needs memorable moments. Freeze frame allows you to pause the action at the perfect moment and add player names, statistics, graphics, team logos. Feature 7. Smart short clips. Make shorts from a long video in just a few clicks. With smart short clips, you can generate multiple shorts from the long video. This feature analyzes the key moments of the video and converts them into ready-to-use shorts. Best feature to upload shorts or reels on your social media in no time. Combine this with replay effects to create professional highlight sequences similar to what you see on sports broadcasts. Football editing isn't just about cutting clips together. It's about creating emotion, excitement, and storytelling. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.